Inserting a presentation into Excel makes it a part of the worksheet, rather than just being linked to it.
Embedding allows you to keep all important documents in one place, making it easy to share with others.
To insert a presentation, go to the Insert tab.
In the Text section, click Object.
On the Object window, click Create from File.
Browse the file for embedding. Click OK to close.
Mark Link to File option if you want changes made to the source presentation to be reflected in the embedded file. Mark Display as Icon option if you want to show an icon instead of the full presentation. To open, edit, or show the embedded presentation, right-click the presentation icon, go to Presentation Object, and select the preferred option.
Subscribe for more videos like this.